Call the hotel to make my reservation for my final destination. Me a boy not change my direction, cause the girl them just fly. Every sound man, every radio station, black girl, white girl, every nation. Me and the girl them in a corporation, in a dimension in the sky.
Good morning, you guys. Now I feel like going to do my makeup.
So many of you guys cussed me yesterday about how y'all talk about daddy and we don't see daddy. I forgot. I vlogged, but didn't snap. So y'all will see daddy later as we reach. Although he's not home, he's gone to do some work, so hopefully by the time I reach back up in the day.
You remember?
Concentrate on the driving.
No, me not concentrate on the driving.
No, please concentrate on the driving. I want to reach and I want.
Yeah, man.
Would you trust me when you jump
Yeah, man.
from the heights? Would you fall?
Definitely.
I'm home. Now as I come, them start near me up. Wow. You guys, it's daddy. There's always some form of a visitor passing through. Oh, no. When you're just after people too much, so you know, when it gets to this point, you guys imagine as I reach, my dad's gonna be like, "What are you cooking today?" Right? Bruh, I don't cook on vacation. No. When the one channel that's working isn't working, oh my god. So my dad decided to leave me here by myself. Man said him gone about in business, be it put on in. So I'm like, alright, like I had put on my stuff, you know, to go to bed and stuff, cause, you know. I'm like, alright, let me put on the pants and come along. Man's like, no. Man said he's going about his business. I'm like, you didn't cook my dinner. He's like, bye. Like, really? Dog, when I tell you guys I have the greatest boss, oh my god, he just saved my life. Oh god. Yo, wait. Anytime I come home, like home, I can't sleep in. I put minutes to 6, and this is what I gotta hear. And the man sent me to my bed last night with no food in my belly. You can imagine? Them left and gone about in business, and now I'm come here and I wake people up and I breakfast and no breakfast, don't cook here, give me. Anyhow, good morning you guys. It's Tuesday, September the 11th. I think it's 9/11. What's that? No, it's the 12th. What's that? 13. Yeah, it's the 12th. I'm supposed to be meeting up with my aunts today to go talk about like some wedding stuff. And then yeah. So we'll see how today goes. So I'm gonna get up and start eating. So talk to you guys. Anyways, guys, so daddy had ackee and saltfish last night for his dinner, right? He never made me none. He never offered me any. And he had boiled fried dumpling. You guys know how I love that. So for breakfast, he decided he was going to give me egg and plantain and bread. And because he ate by himself last night, I'm going to eat by myself this morning. So, bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Them care all to them things, you know. Anything you want at Typhoon, you can get it done. You just have to have your money.
She's gonna work for Tyflora, you guys. So
me?
yeah,
I want for any work, you know. So and let me get Nadine flowers done. Make.
Yeah, so tell her to give me some discounts.
No, she stopped working.
Oh
She
Lord,
stopped working.
Jesus. Anyways, guys, I just checked out some wedding stuff. I can kind of sleep a little. Well, I may not have the price them yet, but they have the king and queen chair that I want, that I thought I could not get down here because I only told me did see them someday. So they have that. They have the clear chairs that I want, the gold chairs that I want. They have everything. So my rentals, I think I'm fine with. Now it's just my cake and maybe or maybe not my bouquet and the officiant, and I think that's really it. That's it. We're making progress. We're making progress. We're making progress. I get to see my venue tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go talk to my uncle about the food maybe tomorrow, and then yeah. And then I can sleep really well. Like when I go back up, like I'm gonna be broke, but I can sleep well. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. It's happening. It's happening. I'm gonna have to beg a lot of people for a lot of handouts, but it's happening. It's happening. You know, it's happening. I can't ask my mom anymore because I asked her. My favors are all ran out with her now. So yeah, but you know, yeah. So it was a great day so far. 3 days me search high and low for like a barbecue. But finally I have to come to Montego Bay. That's why, you know, you're supposed to stay home. You're not supposed to go outside of where you know and stuff like that. So yeah, so I get my barbecue wings, Dave. I'm gonna eat this for me and you, okay? Okay. Good afternoon, you guys. So yeah, as you guys would have seen earlier, this trip was mainly to come and, as I think I said before, sorry if I'm repeating myself a million times, but this trip was really just to come out here and get like all my final quotes and numbers and everything like that, and to talk to who I needed to speak with in regards to who's doing what for the wedding. And then also because it was Bay's birthday, so I'm actually gonna throw him a little like party on Saturday at his house. So maybe I'll record, maybe I won't, I don't know. It depends on what everything is going at, how everything goes. On to positive things. As I said, I'm not dwelling on really what's happening, which is why I decided to come back up and do what I need to do. So yeah, I went to 2 rental places today. I'm supposed to have a consultation with one of the companies. One of them got done all the stuff that I want, and they're gonna send me an email with the quote. And then the one that I initially was gonna go with is near to where my caterer is located, so I'm just gonna do that tomorrow, and just kill 2 birds with 1 stone that way. And then that way I can finalize and have all 3 quotes to look at and really decide as to which company I'm gonna go with. Some I might have to use like more than one, because some offer stuff, some don't offer. But yeah, it was a very productive day. I think I may have found the person who's going to do my cake, which is really good. I also still have to look into an officiant, and that's pretty much it, to be perfectly honest. As I said, everything else is pretty much taken care of. My bouquets, I'm doing that. I don't really need that much decor because where I'm having my wedding, like the scenery is decor itself. And yeah, but I get to see my venue tomorrow, like in person. Although my dad said I've been there before, I wasn't paying attention to it like that, to using it as any venue space or anything like that. So I get to see that tomorrow, so I know for certain how I want to decorate and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm just here now back. So why don't you wear work pants that are loose? You're at Titus? Yeah. So yeah, I'm back at I was gonna say Cornwall Court. It's not Cornwall Court. Daddy, where are we again? West Green. But what's the it starts with a C. It starts with a C.
What?
It starts with a C. What's the name? Catherine Hall. There we go. Yeah, so yeah, we're out at the clinic by there. Daddy's doing work over here. I'm not exactly sure what he's doing, but he's helped put it up. So so he's been here all day. So yeah, this is where I got picked up and dropped off. And yeah, I'm just really excited because like now I know exactly what's what, and well, somewhat, when I finally make my decision. But at least I know, and I spoke to the people that I'm in person, so they know my face and whatever. But I really want to have the consultation with the first place that I went to, because they legit have everything. But I know with that it's going to be very expensive. But the lady was like, we'll work with you or whatever. So when I go in with Sienna, it was the same thing with the second company. He was like, once we figure out everything, like, we'll work with you, don't worry about it. So I'm just like, all right, cool, because girl is balling on a budget. But we're gonna make this happen. So that's pretty much what I did today. So I'm really sorry if the vlogs are not that entertaining. This was not like that type of a trip. This was not an entertaining type of a trip. Although yes, it is Jamaica, still I'm here strictly for like serious business and stuff like that. So yeah, I still need a photographer, I still need a videographer, and I still need a DJ. I was talking to Sandy, was gonna help me, or she still may help me with the whole DJ thing, but I think with hers I needed to get the equipment. If I can check that out and see what that would be like, then maybe that would help me out in the situation. But I was also talking to Tay from Roxy and Tay. If you guys have not checked out their YouTube channel before, you should. Tay goes to Jamaica often because she's in a long distance relationship. Her husband is there. Their vlogs are so cute. Like, I love Tay and Chris. But yeah, her husband's a DJ and he's close. They're from Westmoreland, and that's not too far from where we are. So I was thinking of that rather than having Sandy's guy come all the way from St. Anne's. So yeah, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna talk it over and see. She's supposed to get back to me in regards to that. And then yeah, so yeah, everything will go on. My biggest thing was finding the king and queen chairs, which I did find. A lot of the stuff that I wanted, it was harder to get them like in locally. Like, everything is like Kingston has everything. But once you know people and you really ask what you're looking for, you can actually find it. So I'm really excited. The flavor of my cake, the lady can do that I wanted. So I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna want a black cake, and I don't want no regular schmegular flavor cake like vanilla chocolate, and I don't like red velvet. So I wanted something different, something that you don't normally get. I'm having people travel from far, meaning like boarding a flight or traveling like 2 hours or more to get to my wedding. So I want everything to kind of be like different and not really what they expect. So yeah, I'm really excited. It was like I said, it was a very productive day. And yeah, so I'm just waiting for daddy to finish up with work. I'm also waiting for some money, and hopefully that comes through so I can get him something to eat and go home. Well, until next time. Sorry. Until next time. Bye. Can somebody explain to me why it's so fucking hard to get my money? Like, I don't understand why I'm begging people for my own shit. Like, this shit should have been deposited back into my account from Friday. I don't understand.